continue to say it. Passive income is the greatest way you can make money to earn a living as a human being. When you make money passively, life becomes easy and very good for you. It's not only that, life also becomes so sweet. A lot of people are making thousands of dollars on a monthly basis selling digital products. What do I mean by digital products? You can call digital products ebooks, templates, planners, and so many other things that you can classify as digital products. You may be wondering, how does it work? Please come closer and be attentive. Do you know it's very easy now to create an ebook than it was years back? Do you know you can create templates in minutes and you keep making money with them over and over and over and over again? Are you aware that a greater percentage of the businesses being done in the world today is done online? People keep ordering these products and you keep making money like tomorrow no day. This is not something you need preaching to start if you're interested. So how do you start selling an ebook online, and what platforms can you use to sell ebooks, templates, planners, and so many other products that you can sell online, from digital to physical? Some of them you can print and sell. Some of them you can just sell only the digital, the soft copy. So how do you create an ebook? AIs now make it very easy for one to create an ebook. So in a space of maybe 24 hours or thereabout, you already have an ebook well packaged. And there are some websites, there are sites, there are platforms, there are apps that you can use to create book covers that you use to cover your books. Even selling books online, that is notebooks. You can sell notebooks as digital products, and they're printed and sold for you, and you make money on a daily and weekly basis. You can use AIs like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, DeepSeek, and so many others to write your book. You can use online tools to edit those books, change and translate to any language of your choice. You can do a lot of things to make the book look original. And even Canva is there. You can use the free templates on Canva. You can edit those free templates and create your book cover, and you can place these books on so many websites and get paid on a weekly, bi-weekly, and some of them on a monthly basis. So in which websites can you place these books, templates, planners, and so many of them to sell? Amazon KDP is there, Gumroad is there, Payhip is there, and so many other websites where you can place your ebooks and sell, especially Gumroad. When you go to Gumroad, you can sell both your ebooks, your templates, your planners, your notebooks, all digital products you can place on Gumroad and sell. Some of these websites will charge you to place your books or your digital products on their website for sale. Some of them will do it free and then cut from the money that they sell from that your product. The good thing about this is that this is something you can just do once and continue enjoying. How do you get paid? You get paid when someone buys any of your products. And what is the time frame? You get paid. Some of them will pay you monthly. I think all of them, they pay monthly. When they receive your money, when they receive the money from the sale of your products, from all the stores that they place those products, then they will pay you on a monthly basis. And what payment method do you expect to have? Are you expected to have rather? You can have you have your bank account. Some of them will ask for your PayPal. Some of them will ask for your Payoneer account, and some of them will ask for Wise. Some of them will ask for so many other payment methods. But the good thing is that there is no how you not see a payment method that will match your region. So that you are from a particular region is not an excuse. that not to try it. It's not an excuse. So there will always be a payment method that will match your region so that you get paid. So my point here is that it is global. So if you are going to place your books or your books on Amazon KDP, or your ebooks, your planners, your notebooks, or any other digital product on Gumroad, you'll be sure that you get paid. Some of them will even pay to your local bank account. So you can always try. It's not an excuse that you are not from a particular region or a particular continent. So everybody is welcome to sell their digital products online. So if this is a hustle you would like to try, AI is there to help you, right? And the companies, all these global companies are there to help you sell, and some of them will send to your local bank account your earnings, and some of them will send to your foreign bank accounts that you open with your local banks. So it's not an excuse that you cannot receive payment. You can go ahead and try it, and from now to the next 3 months you see where you get yourself. So you can go ahead and try it. We have ebooks, planners, templates, notebooks, and so many other digital products you can try. If you are finding value in this channel or in this video, you can just share, like, and subscribe to this channel so that other people will get, the algorithm will push this video to other people. You can use the comment section. I will also see you in my next video. Good luck.